Hello everyone, I'm Soren Cassie and this is Prime Code. Today we're going to talk about the 5 common mistakes beginners make while trying to learn how to code. Now, these mistakes can make your learning progress to slow down, so after introducing them to you, I'm going to give you tips on how you can avoid making them. So, let's get started. Number 1, focusing too much on theory without actually coding. Now, this is a common mistake many beginners make. Watching too much tutorials and reading books are great, but if you're just doing that and not practicing, not actually coding, then you're not actually learning. That's not how it works. Instead of that, get your hands on keyboard. Apply what you're learning by making small projects as soon as possible. Gaining more experience will lead to gaining more confidence about your programming, and your growth will become faster and better. Number 2, trying to learn multiple languages at once. Now, this is a tricky one, and this is the most dangerous one. I've seen a lot of people make that mistake. I've done it once before. I'm not doing that anymore, but I've seen people, some beginners start with Python, then they just go switch to JavaScript, then jump right onto C++, and not really sticking to one language. So my suggestion for you people is to stick to one language, learn and master the fundamentals and basics, and then start and considering learning a new technology if so needed. So yeah, this probably can be the most important of them all. Don't try to do that. Don't try to master multiple languages at once. It only leads to confusion, and it will become a frustrating process. It will make you to hate yourself, then hating programming, and then you're just going to give up. And once you come to your senses, you'll realize you were just wasting your time. So yeah, don't do that. So once again, master the fundamentals and basics, stick to one language, master the fundamentals and basics, and then if so needed, go and learn another technology if needed. Number 3, ignoring debugging and solving problems. One of the other mistakes that beginners make, usually they get frustrated when they're facing an error in their code. And immediately they start looking for online solutions on Stack Overflow, or even asking AIs like ChatGPT and the Copilot. But my suggestion for you is take your time and start solving the problem on your own. Take time and try to understand the error, see what's causing the error. Debugging is an essential skill. Everyone requires that to master it, and it's kind of essential. Every programmer needs to know how to debug their own program and their software. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be a website or a mobile application, a software. You need to master debugging. So don't cheat. Yeah, take time, understand the code, see where the error is coming from, and try to solve it. If you couldn't, then go and search for online solutions, or go and then ask ChatGPT or a Copilot. Yeah. Number 4, not learning version controls. Oh my god. I can't tell you how important that is to learn. I think I'm gonna have to make a separate video about that, but let me just give you a hint about it. Some beginners think that it's unnecessary to learn Git and GitHub, but let me tell you that's so important. That is important. Don't skip Git and GitHub. They're important. Learning version controls can save you from losing your codes. It can help you to collaborate with other programmers, and it's a must. Literally, people will mock you the moment they realize that you don't know what a version control is, the moment they realize you don't know how to work with Git or GitHub. So it's a must in real world projects. You need to learn and master Git and GitHub. Yeah, that's a very important one. Don't leave that behind. Don't even think about it. I mean, anyone who told you that Git and GitHub are not important, you don't have to learn them, just to know that they're not programmers. Yeah, that guy is not a programmer, definitely, because it's a must. It's a very, very, very important skill to master. So go and learn Git and GitHub. Don't skip it. Okay, last but not least, number 5, giving up too soon. Look, I know, programming, coding is not an easy thing to do. And many beginners expect to see quick results, have quick results. But let me tell you that coding, it requires practice, consistency, and patience. So if you ever felt that you're stuck, just take a break and ask for help. Many great things happens with consistency, patience, and practice. So don't give up. Take a break, 1 or 2 days, ask for help, and eventually you will get where you want to go. Okay everyone, that was all 5 mistakes beginners make while trying to learn how to code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and comment me below to see which one of these mistakes you have made before or you were making. I'm Soren Cassie, and this is Prime Code. Happy coding!